Hey there, everyone, and welcome to the channel. As always, thanks for stopping by and hanging out for a few. My name is Rich. I'm the channel host, and normally we're talking drones and imaging, drone projects, mapping and modeling. You get the idea. Last week, I was talking to another drone operator, and they asked me what I knew about the DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2 if it was really being discontinued. I had no idea whatsoever, so I went out and did some research this morning, and it doesn't look good for the Phantom 4 Pro right now. So right here, we're on the website Adorama, and DJI Phantom 4 Pro Plus V2. It's in closeout right now, so that's the one with the smart controller with their screen as well. And let's go take a look at B&H Photo Video and DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2 discontinued. Okay, this is starting to be a trend. Let's go on over to DJI's official website. And on their official website, you saw out of stock with the RC with the screen and out of stock on the standard RC as well. Finally, I went over to the Phantom 4 Pro Phantom Pilot's website and taking a look here. Phantom 4 Pro V2 discontinued, no replacement. Phantom 4 RTK discontinued. I'm not sure about that one. But so bottom line, it does look like the Phantom 4 Pro is phasing out. We saw something like this happen last year as well, where it was out of stock for quite a while, but then they started producing more. So one of my big worries here is what's replacing the Phantom 4 Pro? Yes, regular visitors to this channel, you know that I use Mavic 2 Pros and I absolutely love them. I use them for doing orthomosaic modeling as well. Not the number one choice for this, I understand, no mechanical shutter and a couple other issues. But overall, for the jobs and work that I've been doing, the Mavic 2 Pros are great for it. Now, the Mavic 2 Pros are also gone, and we're getting a lot of new drones, of course. And one of the things that's been missing in some of the marketing material when I've looked at some of the newer drones is how well they're going to perform for mapping platforms like the Phantom 4 Pro. And right now, I'm kind of seeing a split. This is my personal opinion. So, correct me if I'm wrong, but I seem to be seeing a split lately of the lower consumer models and then some big jumps in pricing for the new higher end models, like that new Mavic 3, for instance. Now, this won't be bad for people who are conducting drone operations already and have a well-established business, but there's still a lot of people learning about drones, and a lot of people come to my channel because they're beginners to the drone industry and they're interested in mapping and modeling, construction progression reporting, time-lapse video, time-lapse stills. So they pop on over to this channel because they're just starting out and maybe they don't have the deepest pockets and the most money handy for some of the prices that we're seeing on upcoming drones. Like that new Matrice looks awesome. The price tag, though, is a whole other world. So I'd love to get your opinion and your feedback. What is the go-to drone when you're thinking of mapping and modeling outside of the Phantom 4 Pro? So with the Phantom 4 Pro going away, what's going to step in its place so that new drone operators still have the opportunity to learn, experiment, and grow their own drone businesses over time without breaking the bank on the drone platform that they're using, and that drone platform is supported by a lot of the thirdware providers out there. Before I get off of this one, and leave you to the questions and comments. I'm just pulling up Maps Made Easy or Drones Made Easy. They're a great indicator of what's available and what's not usually. So they've got their support list here of what you can fly Map Pilot Pro with and, get okay results. Now, of course, since we don't have the mechanical shutters, usually we have to slow our flight speed down just a little bit. But so here is what is supported today. And from the new drones that are just coming out, the Mavic Mini 3, the Mavic 3, the M30, the SDK is not out for those yet. So at the bottom of this, I do like this from Map Pilot. They do pop in a, let DJI know that you like these things. So DJI makes a lot of firmware and SDK changes, not always backwards compatible. So they try their best to stay on top of it. But if you just need an idea of what most third-party apps are offering, popping over to Drones Made Easy's help section there, you will find out what is and is not supported. All right, everybody, is this a sad day for my realization that the Phantom 4 Pro is going away? It's a bit of a bummer. What I want to know more from DJI is what we drone pilots are looking at for a reasonable cost. We know we're going to spend money still, but a reasonable cost mapping platform for drone pilots who are interested in building their skill set with that. All right, everyone, I hope you have a great week, and we'll see you again here real soon. Looking forward to your feedback on this one.